Well, I hope it stays dry this evening because Tony's coming around with a step ladder to waterproof the motorhome roof. Got to have an ice cream starter before the main course. Well, 3 ice cream starter. Well, the crows seem to be enjoying the beautiful, clear, sunny evening. I was lucky that it cleared up. This is chicken katsu, with apologies to any Italians. And here's Tony, henceforth known as previous owner Tony. Where's he gone? We're chasing him around his van. Oh, good man. That's exactly what I need. And a roller.
And I don't know, it might be a... How are you going to get... Well, anyway, I'll let you have that for now anyway.
Yeah. Perfect.
Because didn't it rain today?
It was a taste of next week.
So I think middle of next week you might get a dry spot, you know.
Yeah, it's the week after that I've got off work.
Oh, have it? Oh,
yeah.
Oh.
So I'm. It's been a way. It's lucky it's going to rain all next week.
Oh, so I would now give you a bit more time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for doing that. Keep it on the roof of my old van.
Yeah.
Time being. Oh, it's really light. It's aluminium.
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy. Thank you, previous owner Tony.
Yeah.
There goes previous owner Tony. What a guy. And I'm not having a bad word said about him in the comments or the van he sold me. No, it's all right. Welsh Dave has just come back from Wales, Swansea in fact, with a load of fresh mussels. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat all of these. All of next week off, to try and get the mansion up to some kind of standard. Human habitation standard would be ideal. And the best thing about all that rain we've been having recently is that it should be easy to see exactly where the water is ingressing, and there's your problem right there. And you wouldn't be surprised to know that this is actually the second saucepan that I've thrown out this week. I mean, can you imagine all that getting soaked into the plywood floor? And indeed, just how many years has that been sat outside previous owner Tony's house with those leaks and the rain we've had? And the starboard window has not fared too well either. Gosh. I put these back down. And they are underneath the skylight there and the skylight there. Port side isn't any worse than it was when London Living discovered it. And in other news, I managed to get a second-hand Chinese copy of a Japanese generator. It's two-stroke. Honda don't make two-strokes. There should be 3 dry days next week when I can get up on the roof, seal it, and do what I can to the interior. Can I climb up there? Yes, it was not as tall as I was hoping. What a state. Okay. And even if I get on this roof, how am I going to get down? And another thing I don't know is, could this roof even take my weight? I'm a big boy. Start thinking practically now. So there are joins there that need to be sealed. There's a skylight there that needs to be sealed. Whatever the hell that is. The flue. The TV aerial, that can be taken out actually. I see a few screws in there. And the rear skylight. And then you've got the edge seals here. This is the flexible rain shield for the awning. And then all along it, there are panel gaps between the fiberglass panels and of course sealing around the windows. Lock and load. Top of this ladder isn't even as high as Ben's van. So, right, no worries about getting down. Let's get up first safely. Oh, yep. I'm up. And the good news is I can walk on the roof without falling through. Well, in this bit so far that I've tested. Oh, I can see Didcot power station from here. There. Now it's time to start oozing sticky stuff out of my big black caulk. Spelling below. Well, that's just great. The ratchet broke before I even pumped a single drop out. Oh, I can't get a single drop out without that lever working. Whoa. Okay. Right. Oh, I think I've done it. Just get those ring spanners out now. And yep, I have positive thrust. And then put a nice thick cable tie around the fulcrum of the handle to prevent it moving too far, thus coming off the end of the push rod here. Poor design, never mind. And it's a beautiful thing. Right. Where was I? Oh yes. Playing with my big black cork. Hour of daylight left. Nope, it's gone again. Now, as with any DIY episode that I do, this is not an instruction manual from a professional. It is someone who buys the cheapest ingredients to mend the cheapest things that have broken, in the hope of having some kind of prosperity and freedom in my life.